Hello Earth, hello beautiful souls, and welcome back to me, Star of Healing, and this reading is for my lovely Libras. Libras, this is your weekly reading and it's about your energy, your challenges, and your blessings for this week. So what I can see here, your energy is glowing, blooming ang mga Libra natin ngayon. Nakikita ko na nagbo-blooming ang ating mga Libras, no? So, this is your energy this week. So, nakikita ko rin, nagkakaroon kayo ng stability sa financial aspect. So, okay ang financial aspect nyo or okay ang financial aspect nyo this week, my dear Libras. So, nakikita ko, what will be your challenge is about your emotion. Possible mag-explode bigla ang iyong emotion, my dear Libra, okay? Or also, baka magkaroon kayo ng disappointment this week na madala niya yung buong emosyon nyo for this week and ma-overwhelmed kayo with that disappointment, okay? So, nakikita ko dito na yung pagiging goal-oriented nyo this week, possible maging distracted siya, okay? So, nakikita ko dito na baka madaliin nyo or isipin yung madaliin yung mga bagay-bagay sa life nyo. So, yun yung magiging challenge nyo this week. So, kung may mga plano kayo, huwag nyo basta-basta mamadaliin. Lalo na pag wala talaga or medyo sumasablay talaga yung mga timing. Okay? So, huwag nyo madaliin. And also, be careful with your emotions, my dear Libras as well. And what is the blessing? So, nakikita ko naman dito, blessings nyo is satisfaction, getting what you want at the end of the day, at the end of the week. If you have relationship, nakikita ko na grabe kayo, blessing na blessing sa inyo ang inyong mga relationship. Most of you guys, okay? Para naman sa mga single natin, possible ang maging blessings ninyo is a date with someone or a date with your crush. And nakikita ko dito, all you have to do is communicate. So, nakikita ko mas na-express nyo yung sarili nyo this week. Mas na-express at nasasabi nyo yung mga bagay na gusto nyong sabihin this week. And that will be your weekly reading, my dear Libra. So, if you want to follow me on my Instagram, Facebook page, and TikTok, that is Mays Tarot and Healing. So, don't forget to follow and subscribe in my channel, my page or account, and just take whatever it is that resonates with you.